so 1b, same idea, right? Always a good idea to write y equals mx plus b, just to remember. So b is 2, go up 2, make a dot. Slope, 1 over 2, we're going to rise 1, run 2. Remember, we don't rise 1 from the origin and run 2. You go where your b is, from that point, you do your rise over run. Okay, we could do, like we said, 1/2 is the same as -1 over -2. You go down 1 to the left 2. Okay, now on the board here, are my hash marks exactly even?
No.
Okay, they're not, right? So when you get graph paper or a little chart to work on, like your worksheet today, they will cross at the right points. Okay, but since these aren't exactly equal, it's possible that they don't meet in exactly the right space. Okay. So here, -4. Now, this one is -5 over 2. Can I apply that negative to the 2? Is that the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay, it is actually. And it's also, sometimes you'll see on paper, they might write it in front, like that. Those are all the same. Okay? The only thing you need to make sure of is you only apply the negative once. You can't say, oh, -5, then I'm going to make it -2 as well. Okay, that would not be the same. So I'm going to use this one because I want to go up 5 to the left 2. If I went down 5 over 2, it's the same line, but it's not moving towards my other line where they're crossing. Okay? So this is going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left 1, 2. Well, lo and behold, that's my point. Okay? So there's my solution to the system, and it's -2 up 1. Okay. Could I verify that algebraically? Okay, we could, right? You could put in x, put in y, make sure the left side equals the right side. Okay, now example 2, who can raise their hand and tell me some information that how you solved example 2.
Instead of, because there's no slope for y, it's just the point you would go on the y-axis for and then draw a vertical line.
Okay, very good. So our slope, there's no slope, right? It's like a 0. 0x plus 4. You go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, make our dot. And remember, we could make this 0 into a fraction. 0 over 1. So if it was 0 over 1, we'd rise 0, run 1. Rise 0, run 1. So it's going to be a horizontal line there. And who can tell me about how they graphed the second part, the second equation? It's one I haven't heard from.
There's no y-intercept, so you start at the origin.
Okay, good. There's no b, so it's like 0b. So we'd start the origin there, up 2 over 3. So up 1, 2 over 3. Up 1, 2 over 3. Okay. Now, this will happen sometimes, right? If I drew my line short like that, okay, we don't see them cross, but can I extend my line?
Yes.
Okay, does a line ever stop?
No.
Okay, it doesn't, right? It's going on infinitely in either direction. Okay, so we can keep going, and that's where it crosses. And that is over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 1, 2, 3, 4.